Welcome back to another video, guys. Before I begin, I just want to say, if there are any videos that you want me to react to, make sure you comment them down in the comment section below. Also, guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Make sure you comment any videos that you want me to react to, like the video, and share the video with other believers. I know there are others out there who are Justin Bieber fans, who love the videos, who, you know, want to see people talk about Justin Bieber, especially a guy. I don't think it's a lot of guy believers out there. So I think my video is really interesting because of my positive view on Justin Bieber, and since I'm a guy. So, before I get into the video, I want to say that I have reacted to the entire all the episodes of Seasons by Justin Bieber. So episode 1 through 10 of Seasons, I've reacted to that entire series, and now I'm going to be reacting to the entire series of the new album Justin released, titled Changes. So I've already reacted to it's 17 songs as I see. I've already reacted to song 12 and 1, so this is 2. So I'm going to say this is day 3, even though I did them in separate times. So I'm going to say this is day 3 of my reactions to Changes, the Justin Bieber album. If you guys want to see my other reactions to any other Justin Bieber songs, if you want to see my reaction to Seasons, my reactions to any of his music, go to the description. I have it listed in the description. Just go down to the description, and I have listed all the videos that I've reacted to in Seasons and everything. So let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. Oh, before I begin, the video that I'll be reacting to today is Justin Bieber, Habitual Nature Visual.
Flowers open when they feel the sunlight. Moonrise, I change right before our eyes. Aggressive but softly, you place your lips on my lips. We're each other's vice. Our feelings that go deep, deeper than the touching, deeper than the ocean. So we ain't never rushing through our days or our nights. Ain't no repercussions. Never get enough, I'm only for your consumption. Always rain the most in April. Every scared needs to be stable. Earth keeps spinning around, we're breathing. So thankful, my love for you's habitual, yeah. Not for a moment, but forever. No, it sounds untraditional, yeah. Never ungrateful for it.
I'm going to look up the definition of habitual, because I'm not really sure what the word means. I do see the word habit in habitual, so I'm sure there's some form of correlation there, but maybe you guys may know a little bit more. I'm sure you know a little bit more about it than me. Could you please comment in the comment section what habitual means? Because, you know, he said my love for you is habitual, and then the name of the song is Habitual. So please comment in the comment section what habitual means, please. Thank you.
That's how we both want it. Habitual, can't nobody keep me like you. Call it unconventional. Our love is habitual, yeah. till we had a reason. Now let's fast forward, look up, a whole new perspective for life. Always rain the most in April. Every skin is to be stable. Earth keeps spinning around. We're breathing, so thankful. My love for you's habitual, yeah. So habitual. Not for a moment, but forever. No, it sounds untraditional, yeah. Never ungrateful for it. That's how we both want it. Habitual, yeah. Ain't nobody keep me like you. All it unconventional. I love it's habitual. Yeah,
This song was great. I'm not gonna lie. I've reacted to 3 songs from his Changes album so far. I've reacted to I can't remember the name. E.T.A. The Nature Visual. I can't remember the other 2 songs that I reacted to, but I reacted to song 1, his first song in the Changes album, and the 12th song in the Changes album, and now this one. I can honestly say this one is my favorite so far. After every 5 songs, I'm gonna update you guys with my favorite songs, and at the end I'm gonna give you my favorite overall. Right now my favorite is Habitual. I like that over the other 2 songs. Habitual is my favorite so far. Like I said, if you guys could go ahead in the description, in the comment section, please comment what habitual means. Like I said, I am going to look it up for myself, but maybe you guys have like a better understanding of it than me in relation to the song, or you can probably tell me a better definition based on Justin Bieber than I could from just the generic definition in the phone, okay, or the computer, okay. All right, well, if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure you subscribe. Please like the video, subscribe, and please like the video. Also, share this video with other Beliebers. I know you have friends who like Justin Bieber, just like I like Justin Bieber. So let's get like a little group thing started. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.